we're very excited to present for the first time, our data from our CD20 targeted CAR T trial, which is a full human third generation CAR T, meaning that both 4-1BB and CD28 co-stimulatory domains are present in this CAR T, and this is a CAR that's developed by Dr. Brian Thiel at the Hutch. So this phase 1 study, we're looking at patients with CD20 positive B non-Hodgkin lymphoma, and what we're presenting at the meeting is results after treating the first 9 patients, and we have seen very promising efficacy data with low-grade lymphomas that we have treated, and more importantly, a very encouraging safety profile with really not seeing any neurotoxicity of any grades, and also really with the new process that we have developed, we've only had 1 patient with grade 1 cytokine release syndrome. So very small numbers, and this is just the beginning, but the signal that we're seeing both for efficacy and safety are really encouraging. The study is ongoing, and we recently added a CLL as a new eligibility indication to the study. So, yeah, so it's a totally outpatient treatment, and we're hoping that with this preliminary results and the first study that we are currently enrolling, we move forward to phase 2 study, a phase 1-2 study, multi-center study, hopefully in future.